All right, so I love boba. I'm always getting that taro milk, but I want something that fits in my diet, low in calories, and is high in protein. So Boba Tea Protein sent me their product line, and they told me to give an honest review, as you can see in the DMs up there. So this is not sponsored. Let's open them up. So they sent me a shaker bottle. It's so cute.
I'm stealing it.
They sent me classic milk tea and what I really wanted, which is the taro milk tea. Now, the reason I was interested in this is because it's 100% verified grass-fed whey. On top of that, it's whey isolate, which means more protein, less calories. And the ingredient list is so short, which means even better. So the macros are great, 141 calories and 23 grams of protein. Now, if this tastes good, this is going to be my default protein from now on. All right, so for directions, it says add 1 scoop of the protein mix and mix 1 part milk to 1 part water. So I'm adding 1 cup water, 1 cup almond milk, 1 scoop. Add some ice, because I am not a psycho. Moment of truth. We do a thumbs up or thumbs down at the count of 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, so I guess it was good. It's actually really good.
Yeah, it's really good, and I'm not a huge taro fan.
I'm a huge taro fan, so this is great. For people that have never drank taro flavored drinks before, think about when you're eating Fruit Loops as a kid and then you drink the Fruit Loop milk. That's what taro tastes like. I give this protein a 9 out of 10. Cheers.